Good morning, Forex traders. This is a follow-up video to the algorithm, the Lux Algo algorithm. And somebody asked me if this works on higher time frame. It does. I will show a video right now. I usually do it on the trade it on the 5 minutes, but you can trade it on any time frame. And the higher time frame, that means you're going to have higher stop loss and higher take profits. And that goes with any system. If you trade higher time frames, you're going to have to allow for higher stop losses. So today was a big news day. Let me see the most popular pairs here. Okay, let's say you traded the Euro USD like a lot of people do. So I think that news came out at 5:30. So at the start of this candle, I believe at the start of this candle. So let me put a line there. Okay. So as you can see, this gave an indicator back here to sell, and it did go against you quite a bit. So right now, it gives a signal at the close of the candle. So this is on a 15-minute time frame, yes, this morning. So give here, and you can see the price on the right here is 846 or 847. So 847 went up all the way to 859, so 12 pips in the opposite direction. And then the next signal I gave was a buy, which is over here. So if you took this signal here and you decided to hold on to the other buy signal, you would have made, let me see if I can use this measuring tool. I don't like their measuring tool, but let me see. 30 pips. You would have made 30 pips. Or if you know about how candles behave, this is like a hammer, and a hammer only counts at the bottom of a range, not anywhere as a hammer. It doesn't count. Like, see, this is a shooting. Okay, so if you would have gotten out here, you would have gotten 58 pips. So I know this is not a lessons about candlesticks, but this is what's called a shooting star or a pin bar. But it doesn't really count, because when you see this, you automatically think its price is going to go down, but it doesn't count because it's not at the top of a range. So for example, this here is a shooting star, and it's after a move up, so this one could be taken as a short. So, and candlesticks, I heard one time they work 67% of the time, or that's how accurate they are. Like, this is a shooting star after a move up, and it didn't go down. I mean, eventually it did, but anyway, so it does work on higher time frames. Let's look at another pair at 15 minutes. Here, the pound dollar. Again, it gave the sell signal here, and this one didn't go against you at all. Maybe just a little bit, from like 295 to 305 or 304. So went against you 10 pips, and then went all the way down if you waited till the buy signal. So on the 15 minutes, from here to here, 91 pips. So the hardest part for me is not to trust this, not trusting the signals. Sometimes I do my other technical analysis, but I gotta get out of that habit. So that same trade here, let's say you wanted to trade on a 5-minute time frame. Let's mark it with lines first. So got in here, got out here on the 15 minutes. So that same time frame, on the 5 minutes, you would have gotten a lot of other like signals. So you would have gotten it about the same price, maybe a little bit higher, and you would have seen the strong buy signal. You probably got out at break even, and then if you bought it, you would have lost here and then you would have kept this until the buy signal and then sold again. Or if you bought this, you would have lost. So in this scenario, so it doesn't apply to every situation, but in this case, it took you in and out of the trades too much, and you would have lost. Probably you would have probably made money overall, but the smartest way to trade and less stressful is the 15-minute. As you can tell, this is right now, going on right now. If I would have taken this, I would have been up. I did not take this. I'm in another trade right now. I'll show you later. 40 pips in 7 bars, 7 candles. So that's an hour and 45 minutes. It's not bad. Right now I'm shorting USD JPY. Short here. I'm actually, I think I got in on the 5 minutes when I saw this red candle here, because I missed this one. So, but let's switch to 15 because that's what we're talking about now. 15, you would have gotten it here. 34, you would have been up 10 pips right now. And it's still going. So that's it in a nutshell. And if let me know if you want me to do other videos. If you like trading at longer time frames, that's also an option with this. So hourly, that's fine. But I mean, sometimes when you wait for the signal, it's kind of too late. You've given up most of the profit. Like here is a sell. By the time you get the strong opposite, that's like break even. Same with this one. And this one still has 4 minutes to go. So this would have potentially a loss or break even. So higher time frames have advantage and disadvantages. So maybe the sweet spot is 15 minutes, but it also depends. And here's a 4-hour view. So if you like to just hold it, and if you want to do your own analysis, not just depend on the signals, because then sometimes they work great, sometimes it doesn't. Like right now on the 4-hour, that's working pretty good. So buy here, sell here, still holding. So it works great on longer time frames. See if it works on daily. Same on the daily. I mean, this could go away because this would have to wait 4 hours before it actually could paints and not go away. And my settings, people ask me about the settings. So let me go back to my trade. Gotta keep an eye on it. So I'll probably take profit. This is a busy zone here, so maybe I'll take profit when if it doesn't blow right through this. If it stalls right here, I'm gonna go ahead and close the trade. I'm already up 10 pips. Okay. Settings, that's what I was saying. Yeah, settings. I have mine on sensitivity 6, agility 1.96. I think that's how it comes. Okay, I hope you found this review helpful. Let me know what you think. Thank you.